Hello, friend. This is another scrap busting idea for some little strips of fabric. I have this one that I don't even know what. It was striped fabric, but obviously I only have the green stripe left. But I had this idea, and I haven't even tried this out, so I don't know for sure that it's going to be cute when I do it. But this page has a hole punched in it already. And I thought, what if I just punch some more holes on here? And I'm going to do it. I'm just going to see how it goes. This is in my little sample book, so it doesn't matter if it turns out to be something that I don't like, but I'm just gonna punch some holes down through here. That one at the top is bigger than these are, and I'm just gonna go about that far. I think that one didn't come loose. There we go. What I thought I'd do is tie a knot in the top of this, and maybe leave enough for it to stick up a little bit, and feed it through the holes in the paper. This probably would work well if it was stiffer paper. It would probably be better, but we're just going to go with this. Okay, I'm going to pull it down like that, and then just keep going. And you could twist it if you wanted to, as you're going through to the other side to get a little more dimension there. Or just do what I'm doing and go straight. Either way, it would work. And I'm coming out on the other side. I really want that to be on this side, so I'm just going to punch another hole about the same distance down here and run it back through so it's ending on the side I started on. Now on the back side, since this fabric, the stripe is printed on it, the back has just kind of the faded green look. And here you could either tie another knot in it, or you could just cut it off and let it hang. I think I'll just cut it off. Maybe at an angle like that. So that's a quick idea for using up some strips of fabric. You could also use ribbon to weave through the holes. So I hope you like that. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.